how are you? I am back again and today I'm doing a little unboxing. It's an Elemis unboxing and it is their collaboration box with Gigi and Olive. Here she is. She's a beauty. Okay, so Gigi and Olive are a bridal brand and of course Elemis are a skincare brand, and this box is designed for brides-to-be. And guess what? I am a bride-to-be. This summer we are getting married. I have kind of announced it, but I haven't really announced it. So if you didn't know, this is me letting you know this summer I'm gonna be a bride. I'm gonna get married. It's finally time. We have been engaged for 12 years now, maybe 10 years, I think 12 years. I don't even know at this point. Way too long. We really should have done it before now. Anyway, we're finally doing it and I'm excited because I'm gonna have a matching name with my child. I swear to God, it sounds so silly, but like, it's kind of annoying when you have to like introduce your child to like the doctor and she's got one surname and you've got another, and it's like, I'm looking forward to having a matching surname. I'm of course also excited about getting married to my longtime partner. Anyway, let's open the box because yeah, this bride needs glowing skin. So here is the packaging. It's beautiful and of course it is, yeah, filled with Elemis skincare. So let's have a look. So I've just removed the sleeve and here is the box. This would make an incredible gift for a bride. So if you're doing like a bridal shower for your best friend's wedding or anything like that, then this of course would be an amazing gift. So let's see what you get. Oh, also the price is £149. So this box is all themed around glowing skin, but also skincare which won't irritate your skin before the big day, which honestly I need that hydration. I don't need anything that's going to irritate. I just need to like glow and look hydrated and look healthy and all those good things. And I'm really nervous about kind of anything that's going to make me break out or flare up or anything like that. So this is all about hydration, lovely skin, feeling good, feeling pampered, and yeah, like self-care, loveliness, all that kind of good stuff. Anyway, let me show you the first product. So this is the amazing Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. I love this stuff. It smells amazing, it feels incredible, and it is a 100-gram pot, which is enormous. Like, this is gonna last you for absolutely months. It's very noisy out there. What's going on? That was weird. Anyway, let me show you the next item. And this is incredible. It smells like roses. It's beautiful. I love it. It's gorgeous. So the next item that we have is the Pro Collagen Glow Boost Exfoliator. I don't know if I've actually tried this before, but I'm looking forward to it. It's a 100ml tube. And yeah, I love anything Elemis. I love anything Pro Collagen. So I'm all in. And I do need a little scrub, but nothing too invasive. So I'm looking forward to trying this. Oh wow, next up we have the Pro Collagen Rose Marine Cream, and this is a 50ml tub. Here she is, pretty in pink. I love this stuff. It's the most gorgeous face cream and it smells like roses and it's just, oh, it's perfect. You know when people are like chef's kiss, this is literally a chef's kiss face cream. It's perfect. Anyway, let's see what's next. Oh, and did I tell you it's a 50ml pot? So again, really big, really generous. It's gonna last you for literally months. What a gift. What a gift. I love it. I'm so excited. Okay, next up we have a very cute eye mask which says bride on it. This is perfect for your honeymoon flight. This is perfect for the night before when you just want to shut out the world. And it's also very good for like your pictures, you know? If you're doing any like get ready with me kind of photos of the big day, you can just have this around casually and it'll be very cute. So yeah, that is the next item, and I think this is silk as well, so it's going to be really good for your skin and really make your eye area feel good, and it's going to lock in that eye cream as well. Okay, then the next item we've got is a little Gigi and Olive bag, so I'm very excited to see what this is. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Let me show you. It is a little claw clip, and I don't know if you can see. Let me turn the camera around. But it says bride on it and it's a gorgeous mother of pearl. Oh, I love it. How cute is that? It's perfect for when you're getting ready in the morning and you want to clip your hair back, do your skincare, get your makeup done. Oh, it's so cute. So cute. And it's going to make your photos of when you're getting ready look even cuter. It's going to make you feel the part. It's going to feel really special. And afterwards you can use it whenever you're getting ready and like remember the special day. Okay, so that is the box. I love, love, love it. It's £149, so it is a little bit pricier. However, if it's your best friend getting married, or if you want to club together with a couple of other bridesmaids or friends, then you can. And it's just so cute. It's such a lovely set, incredible skincare. And I don't know, it's just a gorgeous little gift. I love, love, love mine. And yeah, I thought I'd show it to you. Anyway, I best go. Mary is napping. She might wake up any minute. And yeah, I've got to go do some like bridal preparation things. You know, when you're like, I haven't even shaved my legs in like 6 months. I've got a lot of prep to do. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.